Okay. So now we're going to pull this finishing sanding mark out, and what we've done is we've kind of modified the defect a bit. We've taken a uneven, irregular defect, and this is what we call a controlled defect. We've flattened it out. We've made it more uniform. The goal of this is to, hey, let's set this up for better, faster buffing, a buff out. So that's basically what we've done here. And I'm going to kick this back up to 5. And usually with this approach, you can actually see higher levels of clarity, higher levels of gloss, because you pretty much have flattened the paint out. See what we got.
Yeah, Jason.
Yeah.
Jason, I've got a cloth here.
Oh, thanks. See what we have here. So, I mean, they look fairly similar, but the most dramatic difference would be on harder paints where, the scratches
You're not
aren't
getting
coming
through
out.
the scratches in that first stage.
Right.
That's quite a big difference between the light reflection.
Between that one and this one?
Yeah, if you look at the light through it, that light reflected through it, you can see it.
Yeah, a little more pop to it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's that. Any questions on that approach? That's pretty much it.
Can I
Yep.